in relevance to the humanities, often when data-driven scholarship is talked about, what's considered is more scientific, mathematical, or technological data. And often the humanities are not considered at the forefront of data production or data analysis work. However, the humanities fields have for centuries engaged with and produced a diverse collection of data, types of data, and structures of data, literary corpuses, organizations of varying types of linguistic, geospatial, social, economic, communal organization data, data about art, history, and culture all serve as bodies of data for analysis, for examination. And the open data movement expanding to these types of humanities data and even incorporating new views of what data outputs are for humanities scholarship sets forth some particular questions about the kinds of data that are produced and what can be done with those. Typically, humanities data in terms of preservation and organization have adapted to and adopted principles from open science and open technology research. So established STEM practices for data management, creation, storage, and availability are integrated into how the humanities view their own data production and outputs and how they view their own organization. But there is also a factor with humanities research where the data being produced is not always entirely equivalent in style or structure. And so innovations for data management and open data practices currently continue to be explored by researchers engaging with these types of data.